Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting the feed signals that train Instagram. First, make your account private and stop new unknown accounts from influencing recommendations. Next, clear your search history and remove recent interactions so the algorithm loses immediate context. Then disable contact syncing and review connected apps to stop external data. Once done, avoid liking or following for 24-48 hours to prevent new signals. These steps remove fresh inputs, so the algorithm begins to reset its predictions about you. Now focus on the content you still exposed to. Systematically mute or unfollow accounts that push the algorithm toward topics you want to stop. Use the not interested option on posts and repeat it to teach the model. Consistency accelerates change. Also restrict interaction with stories, reels, and the Explore tab. Tapping or watching full reels signals preference. While you continue, favor a small, intentional set of accounts and interactions to guide the algorithm toward neutral or desired content instead. Finish by committing to a low engagement reset, 7 to 14 days of minimal liking, commenting, and following so the algorithm can relearn. Meanwhile, review ad preferences and opt out of ad topics that reinforce old patterns. If you still see unwanted recommendations, log out, reinstall the app, and clear the app cache to remove residual signals. Troubleshooting tip: if changes revert, check connected accounts and devices for cross-platform activity, and repeat the reset while maintaining consistent behavior to enforce the new signal set.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.